Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. So there is some technical glitch, so I'm doing only the audio podcast. There was a big drama in US markets. On Friday, after the markets closed, the Moody downgraded US debt. So because of that, the futures fell. Then Monday morning again, it fell even more. So at some point of time, Nasdaq was down nearly 2%. But after the market opened, the entire loss was recovered. And in fact, it turned into green. Not only turned into green, that Friday's high was taken out. So that is the market, US market, the kind of market. No reason it will fall, and for no reason it will rise. So because of that, the Asian markets are higher, and the China also seems to have cut some interest rate for the first time in last 7 months. So to pump prime the economy. So because of that, the sentiment is very very good, and the GIFT Nifty indicating almost 100 point gap up. So effectively, this may wipe out last 2 days of losses. So yesterday it was a little bit disappointing that Nifty future closed below 25,000. So today again it may go above 25,000. But yesterday both FIAs and DIAs were net sellers. Although quantum of selling is very very little, but it is still a surprising that both have become net sellers. That too on a falling market. Overall, our market, as I told you, it is still in the consolidation phase. So looks like the consolidation is getting narrower and narrower. Last time I told you 24,500 to 25,200 should be the range, but now that range is getting even narrower. So looks like 24,800 to 25,200 maybe the trading range. So anyway, so we have only 3 trading sessions for this weekly expiry, and there are no major clues. So it's basically the global cues only. So depending upon how the global markets are moving, Indian markets may move. Like as I told you once again, keep watching HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and Reliance Industries. Yesterday, there was a big drama in banking stocks here. So markets opened, went lower. Then from the lowest point, Bank Nifty shot up 400 points. Again, it fell 400 points and so on. So looks like, the Bank Nifty may try to recover, and who knows, Bank Nifty may lead the rally for the next leg. So Bank Nifty is having a good resistance around 56,000. So once that is taken out, who knows, it may head to 60,000 in the next few months. So you may remember, so Bank Nifty was the first sectoral index to take out all-time high, while Nifty is far away from its all-time high. So Bank Nifty is looking very, very good. Of course, IT stocks may come under focus because yesterday the IT index has done very badly because Nasdaq future was very down. Although there is no 1:1 correlation between Nasdaq and IT, most of the time it works like that. As and when the Nasdaq is down, here IT index come under profit booking. As and when Nasdaq is green, here IT index recovers. So there is a possibility IT index may recover today because the Nasdaq has recovered around 500 points yesterday from the day's low. So if IT index does well, then Bank Nifty does well, and then finally it is only Reliance which has to catch up. So Reliance has come under some small profit booking. I think Reliance has fallen about 15-20 rupees from the recent high. So, so this is how the internals look right now. So let us see what is going to happen. And looking at the open interest, so even the 25,000 call has been sold aggressively. I think the premium is around 120 rupees, I think. So that means the people are expecting a good resistance even at 25,120, but I do not believe that. So, it can go even above that. Yesterday, probably this US debt downgrade panic, the people would have sold more calls actually. So I'm still maintaining some kind of a bullish bias. As I told you, when the market goes higher, then for a few days it consolidate. Again, it takes the previous high. So that's how, the first day, last Monday, the Nifty has shot up nearly 1,000 points and the high was 24,920. Then for next 2-3 days, market corrected. Then one fine day, that is Thursday, again market took Monday's high. So that kind of things may go. So that is how the bull market works. So let us see what is going to happen today. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.